who ain't got no feelings. Check it out now. I got you stuck off the realness. We be the infamous, you heard of us. Official Queensbridge murderers. The mob comes equipped for warfare. Beware of my crime family who got enough shots to share for all those who wanna profile and pose. Rock you in your face, stab your brain with your nose bone. You all alone in these streets, cousin. Every man for theyself in his land, we be gunning. And keep them shook crews running like they supposed to. They come around, but they never come close to. I can see it inside your face, you're in the wrong place. Cowards like you just get their whole body laced up with bullet holes and such. Speak the wrong words, man, and you will get touched. You could put your whole army against my team, and I guarantee you it'll be your very last time breathing. Your simple words just don't move me. You're minor, we major. You're all up in the game and don't deserve to be a player. Don't make me have to call your name out. Your crew is featherweight. My gunshots will make you levitate. I'm only 19, but my mind is older. When the things get for real, my warm heart turns cold. Another nigga deceased, another story is told. It ain't nothing really. And yo, done sparked the Philly, so I could get my mind off these yellow back niggas. While they still alive, I don't know, go figure. Meanwhile, back in Queens, the realness and foundation. If I die, I couldn't choose a better location. When the slugs penetrate, you feel a burning sensation, getting closer to God in a tight situation now. Take these words home and think it through, or the next rhyme I write might be about you. Son, they shook, cause ain't no such things as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook, cause ain't no such things as halfway crooks.
Benvinguts i benvingudes, tu miris com tu miris.
Això és el Rap and Rap, a Ràdio La Vall, amb Marc Sanchís
i Carles Coll.
I en aquest cas és un plaer i un honor poder anunciar que tindrem un nou col·laborador del programa regularment, amb tot l'amor al hip-hop i els cafès que ens portarà. Joan Barris, benvingut.
Moltes gràcies, bon dia a tothom. En primer lloc, vull donar les gràcies a en Marc, en Sergi i en Cadi per deixar-me participar al Rap and Rap. M'estic molt content d'estar al programa, espero estar a l'alçada i, en certa manera, començar a tornar al hip-hop tot el que ens ha donat i el que ens està donant.
Així ens agrada.
Salut i rap.
Doncs des del Rap and Rap donem la benvinguda a en Joan, que a partir d'ara serà un component més de l'equip del Rap and Rap i segur que ens aportarà moltíssimes coses.
If you want, kid, lay on your back. I don't fake jazz, kid, you know I bring it to your life. Stay in a child's place, kid, you out of line. Criminal minds thirsty for recognition. I'm sipping.
Doncs bé, un dissabte més ens trobem als estudis de Ràdio La Vall, disposats a gaudir d'una hora amb la millor música que ens van oferir als anys 90 als Estats Units. Artistes i col·lectius com Nas, Wu-Tang Clan, Snoop Dogg, Cypress Hill, entre d'altres, ens acompanyaran al Rap and Rap fins al punt de la 1 del migdia. Avui, especial hits del 90, al Rap and Rap.
Scared to death and scared to look, they shook, cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook, cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Living the life that is diamonds and guns. There's numerous ways you can choose to earn funds. Some get shot, locked down and turn guns. Cowardly hearts and straight up shook ones, shook ones. He ain't a crook, son, he's just a shook one. To all the villains and the $100 billings.
I comencem l'especial dels 90 del hip-hop amb Nas, la seva cançó The World Is Yours, de l'àlbum Illmatic del 1994, l'àlbum debut del raper neoyorquí que s'ha convertit en un dels àlbums de culte de l'escena de hip-hop mundial. A l'edat de 21 anys ja es va posicionar com un dels MCs amb major projecció dins el panorama nord-americà. Diu així:
Move with the thief's theme. Play me at night, they won't act right. The fiend of hip-hop has got me stuck like a crack pipe. The mind activation, react like I'm facing time like Pappy Mason. With pins I'm embracing, wipe the sweat off my dome, spit the phlegm on the streets. Suede Timbs on my beats makes my cipher complete. Weather cruising in a 6 cab, I'm on Montero Jeep, I can't call it. The beats make me falling asleep, I keep falling, but never falling 6 feet deep. I'm out for presidents to represent me.
Say what?
I'm out for presidents to represent me.
Say what?
I'm out for dead presidents to represent me.
Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this? It's yours. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine.
To my man Ill Will, God bless your life. To my peoples throughout Queens, God bless your life. I trick we box on crazy bitches, aiming guns and all my baby pictures. Beef with housing police, release scriptures that's maybe Hitler's. Yet I'm the mal money, getting style, rolling foul. The versatile honey, sticking wild, golden child, dwelling in the rotten apple. You get tackled, caught by the devil's lasso. Shit is a hassle. There's no days for broke days. We selling smoke pays while all the old folks pray to Jesus, soaking their sins in trays. A holy water, odds against nods and slaughter. Finger the word best describing my life. To name my daughter my strength. My son the star will be my resurrection. Born in correction, all the wrong shit I did. He'll lead in right direction. How you living large or broke or charge cards are mediocre. You flipping coca, playing spit spades and strip poker. Poker.
It's yours. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this? It's yours. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
Yo, the world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this? It's yours. It's
The young city bandit, hold myself down single-handed. For murder raps, I kick my thoughts alone, get remanded. Born alone, die alone. No crew to keep my crown a throne, I'm deep, I sound alone. Cave inside 1,000 miles from home, I need a new nigga for this black cloud to follow. Cause while it's over me, it's too dark to see tomorrow. Trying to maintain, I flip, fill the clip to the tip. Picturing my peeps, now the income make my heartbeat skip. And I'm amped up, they like to champ up. Even my brains in handcuffs, headed for Indiana, stabbing women like the Phantom. The crew is lamping, Big Willie style. Check the chip to smell. Plus I post foul wow. Stash through the flock clothes, burning dollars to light my stove. Walk the blocks with a bop. Checking dames plus the games people play. Bust the problems of the world today.
It's yours. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this? It's yours. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this? It's yours.
Yeah, alright. To everybody in Queens, the foundation. The world is yours. To everybody uptown, yo, the world is yours. The world is yours. To everybody in Brooklyn, y'all know the world is yours. The world is yours. Everybody in Mount Vernon, the world is yours. Long Island, yo, the world is yours. Staten Island, yeah, the world is yours. South Bronx, the world is yours.
Acaba de sonar el tema The World Is Yours del gran Nas a RapndRap i a continuació escoltarem el tema Paparazzi d'X Ibit, un dels artistes més carismàtics gràcies a les aparicions en programes televisius de la cadena MTV, com MTV Cribs o Pimp My Ride, Toné a mi cotxe en la versió espanyola.
Una de les curiositats d'aquesta cançó, de Paparazzi, és que va aparèixer al 6è capítol de la 3ª temporada de la mítica sèrie Los Soprano, que des del RapndRap volem fer una recomanació sobre aquesta gran sèrie I està sonant Exhibit Paparazzi de l'àlbum At the Speed of Life de l'any 1996.
Like this, always claiming that they rhyme, but they really ain't. It don't make sense. Either you a soldier from the start or an actor with a record deal trying to play the part like that. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. Extra large. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. Paparazzi. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. Extra large. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. I don't need no lights, no cameras, all I got is action. Never no superstar, say that for Michael Jackson. See, my composure is kept while others start to sweat. Emerging from the fog with my effed up dialogue. Trying to live high on the hog leaves you bankrupt, and people you spent it on will not give up. Now that's deep. How deep? It's deeper than Atlantis. Home of the scandalous, big bad Los Angeles, dangerous vandalist. Yo, not to be trusted, perpetrate like you hard, not being scarred by the boulevard. Pulling on cards and saying gin as I begin, flowing like liquid. So take it to your chin, I break it down. My sound surrounds like death from the west. Put your whole city to the test. It's all in perspective. Break a 1-9 copy. This is for the people getting caught up in the paparazzi. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. Extra large. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. Paparazzi. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. Extra large. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. You can smoke, stress, and cross-dress. Exhibit, play the back while you going through schemes and pipe dream for a contract. Real tightly roll, buck 'em all, that's how I feel. Made a cool half meal before I had a record deal. Therefore, you look and stare like it's magic. But too much of anything can make you an addict. Whenever it's time for static, break out the automatic. I set it all straight, I spread hate, then I vacate. But wait, who dares to cross this path? Exhibit built to last. Cut slash, make a bloodbath. So on behalf of all the players I get drunk with, smoking blunts with, I dispose of your punk. Yes, and keep it all in perspective. Carbon copies, getting caught up in the paparazzi. Once again, it's the liquidation crew, and I return for you like this. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. Extra large. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. Paparazzi. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. Extra large. It's a shame you only in the rap game, only for the money and the fame. Paparazzi.
Això és Paparazzi, de Exhibit, el que acabem d'escoltar. I entrem amb Cypress Hill, Inside the Brain. Aquest grup provinent de Los Angeles, amb fortes arrels llatines, format el 86 per DJ Mux, Be Real, Send Dog, Eric Bobo Correa, va treure l'àlbum Black Sundays el 93, àlbum del qual forma part aquesta cançó. I com a curiositat d'aquest grup, comentar que més endavant es convertiria en el primer grup llatí en obtenir un disc de platino. Cypress Hill.
I got to maintain, 'cause a nigga like me is going insane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane. Do my shit undercover, now it's time for the blubber. Blabber, to watch that belly get fat, a fat boy on a diet. Don't try it, attack your ass like a looter in a riot. My shit's fat like a sumo, slamming that ass, leaving your face in the grass. You know, I don't take a dulo lightly. Punk just jealous 'cause they can't outright me or kick that style. Wicked, wow, happy face nigga never seen me smile. Rip that mainframe, I'll explain. A nigga like me is going insane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Insane in the membrane. then soon I got to get my props. Cops come and try to snatch my crops. These pigs wanna blow my house down. Head underground to the next town. They get mad when they come to raid my pad, and I'm up in the 9-deuce cab. Yes, I'm the pirate pilot of this ship. If I dip with the ultraviolet dream, hide from the red light beam. Now do you believe in the unseen? Look, but don't make your eyes strain. A nigga like me is going insane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane.
Estem escoltant Cypress Hill i el seu tema Insane in the Brain. I continuem. El Rap and Rap no s'atura i seguim amb Big Pun. El tema es titula Still Not a Player, amb la col·laboració de Joe, de l'àlbum Capital Punishment, extret l'any 1999. Big Pun és un raper portorriqueny que va néixer al 71 al Bronx. Va ser un raper underground que, tot i combatre tota la seva vida amb greus problemes de pes, que finalment van acabar amb ell el 2000, no es va oblidar de deixar-nos perles com aquesta. Big Pun, Still Not a Prayer, amb Joe.
Up in the Benzito with my Kiko from Queens, nickname Benito. We go back like PAs and wearing PJs. Now we reach the P gauge, running trains for 3 days. Who wanna ride? It won't cost you $1. Whether sore for harder, of course you're still gonna holler. Mama, I'm thick. I rip my through your hooters, I'm sick. You couldn't measure my with 6 rulers. Hold up, true lie. I'm all about getting new, but I knock that bull if you out to get cool.
I don't wanna be playing no more.
I'm not a player, I just crush a lot.
Still got what you're looking for.
Uptown, baby, uptown.
I don't wanna be playing no more.
I'm not a player, I just crush a lot.
Big Pun Joe is still down below. Who's down below?
I love from Puerto Rican to black, brown, but last I don't discriminate. I regulate every shade of that. Long as you show class and pass my test. Fat and breasts, highly intelligent bachelorettes. That's the best, I won't settle for less. I want to get a brunette with unforgettable sex. I lay your head on my chest and feel my heartbeat. We can park the Jeep, pump more deep and just spark the leaf. It's hard to creep since I found Joe. Every pretty round brown wanna go down low. Put this boogie down professional. I'ma let you know once I put the blows. Get your clothes cause you got to go out the door downstairs. Little brown hairs everywhere.
You nasty twin.
I don't care. Round here they call me Big Puns. If you with the big guns, big tongue, known to make the chick hot tub, poppin' bubbly, rubbing your spot, love. Got to scream and punish me, but it don't stop. Watch the pun get wicked when I even look be like, don't stop, get it in a hot tub, poppin' bubbly, rubbing your spot, love. Got to scream and punish me, but it don't stop. Watch the pun get wicked when I even look be like, don't stop, get it, get it.
I don't wanna be playing no more. Still got what you're looking for. I don't wanna be playing no more. Big Pun Joe is still down below. Who's down to Morena, Boricua, Morena, Boricua, Morena, Boricua, Morena, Boricua, Morena, Boricua, Morena. No more rolling with nothing to run.
Bé, acabem d'escoltar Still Not a Prayer amb Joe de Big Pun, una de les cançons que apareix a la gran banda sonora de la sèrie Ballers que s'emet actualment a HBO.
Is this really the end? Or is it a new beginning?
I continuem amb Guru, que va ser el primer artista en treballar la fusió del hip-hop amb el jazz, fet que va marcar un abans i un després en la unió d'aquests dos estils. Guru, malauradament, ens va deixar el 2010 a causa d'una malaltia. Us deixem amb el seu tema Life's Over, Fit, Baby.
For I am the lifesaver. Scooby-Doo-wah, Scooby-Doo-wee. Like a jazz player, I improvise wisely. Free with the style, I flow like the Nile. But remember, don't mistake the smile. Deep-rooted is my rhyming, like ancient African griots. Precise is my timing. But let me get to the essence of what I'm saying here. Too many blood-red streets with bodies laying there. The systematic fanatics are at it again, trying to kill me and all of us, my friend. But don't bend to the mental strain. Against all odds, we must strive for essential gains. Be true to the life the Lord gave you. And that's a message from the lifesaver. The lifesaver. So many misconceptions, so many evil deceptions. I've come to give direction, for I am the lifesaver. So many misconceptions, so many evil deceptions. I've come to give direction, for I am the lifesaver. I am the lifesaver. It takes a more intelligent man to squash a fight than to set one off. Knowledge I'll let some off, cause nowadays everybody's a killer. And as for me, no other MC is iller. But still a thorn scrapes my heart when I see another life that's been torn apart over nonsense, no law, no order. It's evidence that the money only takes precedence. Cause everybody wants power, while the innocent are born or die during every hour. I scour as I look upon evil, but I muster the strength to spark awareness in my people. And we will learn to respect our neighbors. Another message from the lifesaver. The lifesaver. So many misconceptions, so many evil deceptions. I've come to give direction, for I am the lifesaver. So many misconceptions, so many evil deceptions. I've come to give direction, for I am the lifesaver. People talk about the Armageddon, and nowadays everyone you know is packing lead, son. Each day's another test. Ayo, I better do my best, cause a lot's riding on my chest. So when I lead you to the water, you best know how to swim across so you can reach the border. It's international, the message and the flavor. So here's some more important words from the lifesaver.
C'est bon.
The lifesaver.
Tous mes potes, écoute bien, écoute
The
bien.
lifesaver.
Garçon fâché, grandissant dans la violence et la pisse. Le mot pisse, c'est pour ceux qui périssent chaque jour. Aux alentours, dans le monde et ses tours. En prison ou retour en arrière dans les fours. Et les condés font leur ronde, les villes grondent. La terre réchauffe, les sommets de montagne fondent. Condin, ça passe, plaque, ça casse. Tel est mon uniforme dans une guerre entre races. On me regarde, me met en garde. À vue, certains cafardent, d'autres bavardent. Et tu dédicace à tout quartier, toute cité. Oh, pas de chance à ceux qui sont tombés, mais pas pour la France. Pays trop bidon, vivement Armageddon. J'ai raison, priant Jéhovah pour mon pardon. Car si un flic me gifle, je le droite. Enfonçant mon doigt dans son œil et le fond de son cerveau, je gratte. Parce
So many misconceptions, so many evil deceptions. I've come to give direction, for I am the lifesaver.
I després d'aquesta cançó, mig anglesa, mig francesa, entrem amb el grup de Nova Jersey, Naughty by Nature, amb el seu single Hip Hop Hooray, en el qual fan un joc de paraules amb Hip Hip Hurra, en anglès, del seu àlbum 1993, que fan un altre joc de paraules amb 1993, 1993, és el nom del seu àlbum, cançó la qual apareix a la banda sonora de la pel·lícula El Lobo de Wall Street, de Martin Scorsese, i diu així.
God. Word up. Look out for the cops, though.
Cash fruit.
Word up. 2 for 5s over here, baby. Word up.
I seguim amb Wu-Tang Clan, el tema Cream. Aquesta és una de les cançons de referència del grup de Staten Island, extreta de l'àlbum Enter the Wu-Tang, amb les sigles CREAM, que signifiquen Cash Rules Everything Around Me, expressió que defineix perfectament la filosofia de vida dels barris marginals de la dècada dels 90. Us deixem amb Wu-Tang Clan, un dels grups referència de història del hip-hop.
This one and that one, pulling out gats for fun. But it was just a dream for the team who was a fiend. Started smoking rules at 16 and running up in gates and doing hits by high stakes, making my way on 5 skates. No question I was speed for cracks and weed. The combination made my eyes bleed. No question I would flow off and try to get the dough off, sticking up white boys on ballboards. My life got no better. Same damn low sweater. Times is rough and tough like leather. Figured out I went the wrong route, so I got with a sick ass click and went all out. Catching keys from 4 C's, rolling in MPVs. Every week we made 40 G's. Yo, nigga, respect my nigga the tech notch. Bow, move from the gate now.
Cash moves everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo. Cash moves everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo.
It's been 22 long, hard years. I'm still struggling. Survival got me bugging, but I'm alive on arrival. I beat back the shape of the streets and stay awake to the ways of the world, cause shit is deep. A man with a dream with plans to make cream was fair. I went to jail at the age of 15, a young buck selling drugs and such, who never had much, trying to get a clutch on what I could not. Court play me short, now I face incarceration. Pacing, going upstate's my destination. Handcuffed and back of a bus, 40 of us. Life as a shorty shouldn't be so rough. But as the world turned, I learned life is hell. Living in the world no different from a cell. Every day I escape from Jake's, giving chase, selling bass, smoking bones in the staircase. Though I don't know why I chose to smoke cess. I guess that's the time when I'm not depressed, but I'm still depressed. And I ask, what's your work? Ready to give up, so I seek the old earth, who explain working hard may help you maintain. To learn to overcome the heartaches and pain. You got stick up kids, corrupt cops and crack rocks and stray shots, all on the block that stays hot. Leave it up to me while I be living proof to kick the truth to the young black youth. When shorties running wild, smoking cess, drinking beer, and ain't trying to hear what I'm kicking in his ear. Neglected for now, but yo, it got to be accepted that what? The life is hectic.
Cash moves everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo. Cash moves everything around me. Niggas got to get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo. Cash can't just get by around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo. Cash moves everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo. Around me, cream, get the money, dollar, dollar bill, yo. Cash moves everything around me, cream, get the money, dollar, dollar bill, yo. Cash moves everything around me, cream, get the money, dollar, dollar bill, yo. Cash moves everything around me, cream, get the money, dollar, dollar bill, yo. Yeah.
Bé, després d'escoltar aquest gran tema del mític grup Wu-Tang Clan, continuem amb l'òpera prima del conegudíssim Snoop Dogg. El tema es titula Gin and Juice i està extret de l'àlbum Dog Style del 1993.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D-O double G. But I somehow, some way, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few ends as I breeze through 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the doors. But what? We don't let them hoes. Yeah. So we gon' smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hoes down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Back, I got me some Seagram's gin. Everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now this type of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. Everything is fine when you're listening to the D.O.G. I got the cultivating music that be captivating he who listens to the words that I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street and get to mackin' to this bitch named Shady. She used to be the homeboy's lady. 80 degrees when I tell that bitch, please raise up off these NUTs, cause you get none of these at ease. As I mob with the dog pound, feel the breeze. Biatch, I'm just
rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Later on that day, my homie Dr. Dre came through with a gang to Tangeray and a fat ass J of some bubonic chronic that made me choke. Shit, this ain't no joke. I had to back up off of it and sit my cup down. Tangeray and chronic, yeah, I'm fucked up now, but it ain't no stopping. I'm still popping. Dre got some bitches from the city of Compton to serve me, knock with a cherry on top. Cause when I bust my nut, I'm raising the bar to cock. Don't get upset, girl, that's just how it goes. I don't love you hoes, I'm out the dough, and I'll be
rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and gills.
Biatch.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and gills.
Biatch.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Estàvem escoltant Gin and Juice, la col·laboració de Snoop Dogg amb Dat Nigga Das, i passem a escoltar Big Daddy Kane, un tema molt especial d'un dels artistes més infravalorats de l'escena del hip-hop dels 90. El tema es diu Very Special, de l'àlbum Looks Like a Job for... i 3 punts suspensius, del 1993. Cançó que us pot sonar perquè la base és la mateixa que acompanya un dels temes de D. Gómez a la mixtape 3 Sentimientos.
Because you got my nose open like a jar of Vicks. I'll be your king, baby, you can be my queen. Let's stay together like Al Green, because
all my love is all I have,
and my dreams are very special.
All my life I look for you,
and today my dreams come true.
You need me and I need you.
Loving us is very special.
Things you seem to do divine.
Admit that you know how to treat a woman. Don't stop your love like Keith Sweat, keep it coming. And our relationship won't ever get dull, because you're always on my mind, even more than my own skull. You're always giving me respect and chivalry, and I can't wait for your enticing delivery. Staying together is a must. Those Tropicana drinks don't blend as good as us. We were made for each other, meant for one another. Neither one of us needs another lover. And just so it could stay that way, yo, I'm on your side like Jennifer Holiday, because
all my love is all I have,
and my dreams are very special.
All my life I look for you,
and today my dreams come true.
You need me and I need you.
Loving us is very special.
Things you seem to do divine.
You look straight into my eyes.
Know our love was meant to be,
'cause keep my real feelings hidden.
Well, what about that pimpin' ain't easy stuff?
Oh, I was just kidding. Cause if we unite, baby, I'll do you right.
Well, I hope you meant that mushy stuff you told Barry White, because I think I know you well enough to be understood.
Well, let's talk about sex, babe.
No, not that good.
But Spinderella, yes, miss, I'll still persist.
Well, since you put it like that, Daddy, yeah, we could do this.
My love is all I have,
And my dreams are very special.
all my life I look for you.
And today my dreams come true.
You need me and I need you.
Loving us is very special.
Things you seem to do divine.
You look straight into my eyes.
Know our love was meant to be.
'Cause our souls touch tenderly.
Love is life and life is living. Very special. All my love is all I have.
And I'll take it, baby. Larry will take it later.
I wanna give it.
Don't stop, baby. No, don't stop, baby. Oh, don't stop, lady.
I wanna give you my love, 'cause you're the only one I'm thinking of.
I wanna give my love. 'Cause you're the only one I'm thinking of.
I wanna give you my love, 'cause you're the only one I'm thinking of.
Oh, baby,
Oh, darling,
something real sweet to me, lady.
you're sweeter than sweet as can be. I wanna take you.
For me, baby.
Today, the hop, you don't stop, don't stop. That's effects with the real hip hop, hip hop. Today, the hop, you don't quit, don't
I en un repàs als artistes més destacats de l'escena estadounidenca dels anys 90 no pot faltar un grup com és Das FX amb aquest hit. Això és Real Hip Hop de l'àlbum Hold It Down de l'any 1995. Això representa el hip hop real. Das FX, Real Hip Hop.
I figured you bring it straight from the cellar. Varela, packing more hits than Lupinella. I swallow, nigga in his eye. If he test me, you don't impress me. Your books kick the rest. G. One time for your mind. Hey yo, what up? Is the crew bringing the ruckus? No doubt, we's the roughest dream team. Reign supreme like a cutlass getting duckers. The dope, you can't touch the flow. It's me, the nigga with G, the B, double O, K. S. So say yes and bust your caliber when I pop shit and rock shit like Metallica. Sticks through the hearts of them snake fake niggas. Them all up in my face, jealous of my tape niggas. So honey, shake your fingers and show me what you got. Blow the fire. Das effects with the real hip hop, hip hop. To the hop, you don't stop, don't stop. Das effects with the real hip hop, hip hop. To the hop, you don't quit, don't quit. Das effects we came to rip shit, rip shit. To the hop, you don't stop, don't stop. Das effects with the real hip hop, hip hop. To the hop, you don't quit, don't quit. Das effects we came to rip shit. Nigga, the yoke shit. Next nigga to quote me. I hope he got more miracles than Smokey. Won't be no discussion. Strictly head crushing, lead rushing through your body. You're in my danger, feel like riding like powder. I'm back up in that ass, G Kaplowy. And now we got the game to a T like how. Allow me to introduce myself and my peeps. Straight from the sewer, staying true to the streets. Well, it's me, Crazy Trace, bringing up the rear. I swear, we got to hold it down there, yeah. So there, now let me crack the band, kick my feet up, turn the heat up, and spiggity smoke all the weed up. Kids I eat up, with the style that's the newest. My crew is getting more run than Carl Lewis. It's from the sewers, now you see me on the top. So stop and recognize the niggas on your block. To the hop, you don't stop, don't stop. Das effects with the real hip hop, hip hop. To the hop, you don't quit, don't quit. Das effects we came to rip shit, rip shit. To the hop, you don't stop, don't stop. Das effects with the real hip hop, hip hop. To the hop, you don't quit, don't quit. Das effects we came to rip shit. Seasons irrelevant and delicate to the texture, but this style of mine is hard to find like Webster's. Ain't about a nigga rolling from the Jordan, the jabber jibber when I get stoned like Sharon from Slipper. Equipped, rickety with the microphone to stretch. Yo, come and hit these niggas in the head. Connect my rhymes I throw a screwball and strike out the MC. And if he tempts me, I knock him out like Jack Dempsey. I burn some sensi, then chase him with the Guinness. The illest, now hit me with the hook because I'm finished. The hop that don't stop, don't stop. That's flex with the real hip-hop, hip-hop. The hop that don't quit, don't quit. That's flex, came to rip shit, rip shit. The hop that don't stop, don't stop. That's flex with the real hip-hop, hip-hop. The hop that don't quit, don't quit. That's flex, came to rip shit, rip shit. The hop that don't stop, don't stop. That's flex with the real hip-hop, hip-hop. The hop that don't quit, don't quit. That's flex, came to rip shit. What's up for your mom? No doubt. Represent. Stay with the rhyme.
I seguim amb l'artista de Queens, J. Rule, i amb el seu tema Always on Time, de l'àlbum Pain is Love de l'any 2001. En aquest cas, en aquest tema, col·labora amb Ashanti. I, com a recomanació, podem trobar els seus temes en sèries com la mítica The Wire.
A piece of this late night lover, you know, the one that swing dick like no other. I know I got a lot of things I need to explain, but baby, you know the name, and love is about pain. So stop the complaints and drop the order of restraints. Our sex life's a game, so back me down in the pain. I can't wait no more. It's just about 3:15, and sure days I me. I got the Bentley Ballet, and I'm just outside of Jersey, past the Palisades. And I love to see that ass in boots and shades. Throw down on the bed while I'm yanking your braids. Thug style. You never thought I'd make you smile while I'm smacking your ass and fucking you all wild. But we share something so rare, but who cares? You can, baby.
I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time. And I gave you my all. Now, baby, be mine. I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time. And I gave you my all. Now, baby, be mine.
Come on, pull it together. It's only a sun shower. We've been through worse weather like stormy night. You wrote a Dear John letter and took my Benz and keyed and cut the leather. Bitch, you know better. Be the M.O.B. Money over bitches, murder I.N.C. I got 2 or 3 hoes for every B, and I keep them drugged up off that ecstasy. I'm a playground legend like Kirkland Pee-wee. They my nigga in the league, got more game than me. I play harder, so many women I fathered. Meet them with scars and send them home hot and bothered. Truth to dare, this life ain't apparently fair. Ain't a love with no glare, is a crystal stare. But we share something so rare, but who cares? You can, baby.
I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time. And I gave you my all. Now, baby, be mine. I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time.
Yeah.
And I gave you my all.
Yeah.
Now, baby, be mine.
Oh, I'm feeling like you're living a double life, 'cause you don't be coming home sometimes. Baby, but you're always on time. Checking for one time, you and I got a special bond together. We go back like bombers, boot in the coldest weather. And when I play, you play the same way. You freak me, baby. I fuck you crazy, then I'm gone. Baby, don't really want me to get up and leave up that easy. Should be waking up wet 'cause she's a. Remind these bitches to mind their business. Believe me, pimp game is very religious. And I'm built like a Don Bishop. Gold deep dish, money green pens, and my hoes is my witness. The life we share is a thug affair. But who cares? You care, baby.
I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time. And I gave you my all. Now, baby, be mine. I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time. And I gave you my all. Now, baby, be mine. I'm always there when you call, always on time. Gave you my
I entrem amb Nate Dogg, I Got Love, de l'àlbum Music and Me del 2001, el difunt cosí de Snoop Dogg, que ens va deixar a l'any 2011, al març del 2011, ens va deixar perles com aquesta. I Got Love, jo tinc amor, diu així.
Play no games, cause ain't nobody playing with me. I got love for my niggas on my family tree. I got love for the ghetto, down for whatever. If you was down before, then you still gonna be down with me. I got game, cause the game was given to me. Say my name, cause ain't nobody tighter than me. Give it up, if you like the way I'm rocking this beat. I don't know nothing better, chasing my cheddar. You in love with a whore, you ain't never listen to me. Cause she hanging on me. She can't hang, cause I ain't looking for a wifey. Just in case, I better take a weapon with me. When these hoes get clever, down for whatever. If she stress me some more, I'll lead her hell dead in the street. Funny how the haters, they be all in the mix. When they know it ain't gon' get no better than this. Can't they see we ain't some niggas they wanna diss. EPG. I love a trick never, treat a bitch never. I told you before, so you better not be fucking with me. On my neck, diamond rings, as long as I can keep her in check. All the same, as long as you don't ever forget. I was taught in the ghetto, quite a tight fellow. If she head for the stash, I always gotta constantly, we bust into a hell of a beat. Think we came, the bass will knock you off of your feet. Just that deep. Bet you we be moving your feet. Boys kinda mellow, bass from the ghetto. If you still want some more, go and get the fucking seat.
Doncs arribem a la recta final del programa i ho fem amb Ice Cube, que després de la separació amb el grup Engwa va reaparèixer en solitari amb l'àlbum Predator, que inclou el tema It Was a Good Day, fent referència a un dia qualsevol dins el hood, al barri. Doncs nosaltres ens despedim amb aquest tema, us desitgem un molt bon cap de setmana, moltes gràcies per estar amb nosaltres. Hem tingut en Carles, a.k.a. Cali, avui a RapndRap, com sempre.
Un plaer, com cada dia.
I l'estrena del nou col·laborador Joan Barris. I també, doncs, en Sergi, que sempre el tenim aquí donant un cop de mà perquè el programa tiri endavant. I res, per nosaltres un plaer. Ens veiem el pròxim dissabte, com ja sabeu, a les 12, aquí, a Ràdio La Vall.
Moltes gràcies. Salut i rap.
Tu miris com tu miris.
Això és el RapndRap. Adeu!
Freaking niggas every way like MJ. J. I can't believe today was a good day. To the pad and hit the showers. Didn't even get no static from the cowards. Cause just yesterday them fools tried to blast me. Saw the police and they rolled right past me. No flexing, didn't even look in a nigga's direction as I ran the intersection. Went to Show Dog's house, they was watching yo on TV raps. What's the haps on the craps? Shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em. Roll 'em in a circle of niggas and watch me break 'em with the 7-11, 7-11, 7 even backdoor Little Joe. I picked up the cash flow, then we played bones, and I'm yelling domino. Plus nobody I know got killed in South Central LA. Today was a